Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Sara Biradar, your computer teacher from St. Joseph's English Medium School. Students, your first chapter in computer is computer task. Task is nothing but the work what computer does. Computer can do many tasks like calculating, playing video games, drawing, listening music, watching movies and many more. Let us start with the introduction. What is computer? Computer is an electronic machine. It was invented by man. As the time changed, computer also started changing. Now computers are used everywhere. Computers can do simple work as well as difficult work. Computer has some wonderful features. It is used everywhere like schools, offices, homes, shops, hospitals, banks, railway stations, airports, post offices, etc. How computers are used in school? Computers are used in school as teaching aid. Teachers used computer to teach students. Students can see their chapters video on the big screen and understand easily seeing the colorful pictures. In offices, computers are used to write letters, send emails, fix meetings with co-workers, to keep records, etc. At homes, computers are used to do the homework and even computers are used to play games. In shops, computers are used in shopping mall to keep the record of the product and to make bills for the customer. In hospitals, computers are used to maintain records. Computers are also used for several types of medical examinations. In banks, computers are used to keep the account details of account holders. In railway stations, computers are used to book tickets. They also use them to maintain train timings. In airports, computers are used to show the information of the passenger. Computers are used to check the baggage of the passenger. In post offices, computers are used for public transactions like registration, money orders, parcels, speed post, postal life insurance, and saving bank operations. Features of computer. Computer can do many kind of work at the same time. Computer can do large calculations. A computer works continuously. Computer works on commands. Computer never makes mistakes. Computer cannot think like human being. It only listen to the orders of the man. A computer can store a lot of data or information which can be used anytime. Uses of computers. Computers are used for many purposes. It can store a large amount of data. It can solve difficult sums. We can play video games on a computer. Different games are found in its game option. We can make beautiful drawings on a computer. We can listen our favorite songs with the help of computer. We can watch movies of our choice on a computer. We can take many useful information using the internet on a computer. Parts of computer. There are four main parts of computer. That is monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Monitor looks like a TV screen. It looks like a TV. It shows the text type in the work done by us. It also displays the results. It is a visual display unit. CPU is the most important part of the computer. It is the brain of the computer. It controls all the parts of a computer. All activities are done by the CPU. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. Keyboard. A keyboard has many buttons which are called keys. It has more than 100 buttons on it which are called keys. These keys are used to type numbers, letters, and other symbols. We enter data into the system by it and also play the games by its help. Mouse. A mouse has two buttons on it. The main work of the mouse is to click and drag things on the computer monitor. It is also used to draw pictures. Printer. A printer is used to print the text or pictures on paper. We can get prints of any data or information and different drawings by it. The printed copy on the paper is called the hard copy. Speaker and headphones. Speaker allow us to listen to music and hear sound effects stored in a computer. Speaker and headphone are output devices. Microphone. We use a microphone to record our voice and different sounds in a computer. Microphone is also used to talk to another person on the internet. Microphone is an input device. CD, pen drive and hard disk. CD, pen drive and hard disk are used to store data or information. The full form of CD is compact disc. A CD is round in shape and is used to store a lot of information. Pen drive is inserted in USB port which is fixed inside the CPU box. Hard disk is fixed inside the CPU box. Scanner is an input device. It is used for scanning a picture or document in a computer. We can save image of picture in a computer using a scanner. Joystick is an input device. It has a handle. It helps us to play games on computer. Students, in this picture you can see the different types of joystick. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. It keeps the computer on for some times even after the electricity goes off. So students, I hope you understood this chapter. Go through the chapter and try to understand it. Okay students, take care and bye.